What's up, guys? It's Elle and
M-Doers here, and today we're going to be playing the Escapists 2, and this is our second episode. So last episode we escaped from
Center
Looker. You can
Perks.
join, yeah, you set to perks, and Looker can join now if he wants to.
No, I don't want to. Sorry. No, I'm
Okay, so
kidding.
our time's already starting to run out,
Okay.
and
So this is our
Uh-oh.
monthly series, or like 2 weekly series. I don't know.
however long we decide to do it, and I'm already getting bashed down here, which is not exactly good. So now, if you get spotted anywhere outside of your cabin or area,
You're dead.
you're in trouble. Yeah.
Okay, you run left. I'll run
So
right.
basically, all we need is crowbars.
Where would we get them?
There's maybe in chests, and if you didn't know, you can also hide inside vents and other sort of systems like that.
No. I'm running.
Okay, so I found a hammer.
No, get
Which
in
we
the
can-
cave. Where did you get them? Like, where do you get the stuff from?
Just in, like regular chests.
Oh. Wait, what do the chests look like?
Just what we have in our, like the inmate desks.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I actually found a baton as well and some duct tape, so I'm gonna
That's
quickly
pretty
grab
good.
that. And we can chuck everything in this chest right
Ooh.
here.
Oh, he doesn't notice me, does he?
Oh, I just did a risky move, but it seemed
Come
to work
on.
out. Uh-oh. Do you see me here?
Yeah, I see you. I just got hit. I couldn't get into the thing in time.
Uh-oh. I'm in trouble.
I'm just gonna wait
And
to heal up.
I think I got away. Does he see me? I don't think he sees me.
We don't have much time left.
Yeah,
Okay.
time's already ticking down.
Okay, let's go.
We can get. I've got an adrenaline shot on me,
Ooh.
which makes us work faster. And I found another desk here.
Couldn't
And
I
this
just?
is our first crowbar, which I'm gonna just go ahead and hide in the medic's desk since it is very close to our house, and we don't want to bring that all the way to the contraband desk, which is quite far away.
Okay, I went in the locker. Let's wait till he goes in, then we should run. Oh, I see where you are, Moritz.
Yeah, I'm in the kitchen area.
Oh, come on. I can't get out. Okay, I hid. Okay, does he see me?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, that's good. They don't see me.
I'm actually on top of the train right now. And I'm done. I'm dead. That was bad.
What happened?
Okay, so I got knocked out. So I'm not sure if we've already said, but we're actually doing loose caboose.
Yeah, loose caboose, where we need 3 crowbars. Do you see me?
I see you on the map area.
Oh no. Okay, is there anything in here? Please. Nah, there's nothing.
No, I just got bashed in my bed. Oh, come on. I was just, okay, now I just need to go straight out. So we've gotten, we know where one crowbar is.
And
Out of
nothing in
3.
here. I'll fight you.
Look up.
Yeah?
Have you found any,
No,
more
I
crowbars?
sadly have not. I died on top of the roof. That's a bit annoying. Now I have to go all the way back. Okay, so what do we actually do in Loose Caboose to get out?
So we actually need 3 crowbars, and we need to go to the back, the most back cart, or the furthest away cart that we can, and then we can, I don't know how the ending goes on from there, but yeah, so that's what we're aiming to do.
Why do we need crowbars?
We need to get, yeah. Do you understand now?
Like you
and
take
there is actually,
off the Caboose.
there is a double person door I see here. And it's got a chest in it.
Ooh.
And I've got a second crowbar.
Hey!
But now I'm getting chased.
Don't die, just deposit it quickly.
I've gone inside a hidden compartment area. So I'm actually trying to get that all the way back home. Do you see me here?
Oh no, I got found too.
Look up.
Oh no. Okay. Ooh. Does he see
I've
me?
gotten inside another secret area.
Yeah, I got in one too. Do you reckon I should just go in and just bash him?
I don't know what we should do. I'm gonna just wait, since now we've got 2 crowbars, and I have a feeling there might be a second one in that double hidden door.
Yeah.
But we'll have to end up finding that out ourselves.
In the door.
Oh yeah.
Wait, do you still have, where did you put that crowbar?
So I've got 1 crowbar.
Okay.
Oh, I need to hide. Oh my god, that was close. Close call. There's another one, I can't remember exactly where I put it actually, sadly, but I know it's definitely somewhere close.
Okay, I'm at the double door.
No, it does say escape here, but I don't think we can escape. I think we need a carrot to escape. Are you at the double door?
Am I at the what?
The double door?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna come to you, and then we can get
What's in this desk? No, nothing.
Uh-oh. I'm getting chased by 2 policemen, and it's not looking good for me since they're both very close.
Yeah.
And let's just finesse that person there and run right around here. Oh my god, I'm on a roll.
Ooh, I'm just sitting here waiting.
Oh my god, I'm on a roll. I've hidden from all of them. They can't see me anymore. Oh my god. Wait, where are you? I'm at the double door.
Yep. Okay, hold it open.
It should open now.
Yep, now I'll
And
press...
you go click the red button.
Yeah.
And
Get
go
in.
have a look what's in there. Have a look what's in the desk.
Okay, so there is a crowbar.
Okay, grab that crowbar,
Yeah.
and we gotta make our way back sneakily. So I'll
Okay.
be opening the door.
And
for
then we'll
you.
grab all the crowbars.
How do you? What button is it to push the button?
Right click.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. And can you open for me, please?
Oh, sorry.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Oh no!
Quickly run.
Run,
Okay,
run,
yeah,
run.
yeah. We've done it. Okay.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out.
No, quickly come. Hide in this cabinet. I'm gonna. Oh no, he spotted me.
Does
No,
he...
no, not here. I'm coming down. I'm gonna sacrifice. No, he's come up. Does he see you?
Yeah, he does.
Just get down and run. Go.
Sorry, didn't mean to hit you.
Luckily, he didn't hit me. Keep going. Yeah, we got this. Come on.
Get in the locker. No, I need to get in. Okay, they've gone.
I've got a crowbar on me as well.
Okay,
So if I get oh, watch out.
where's the last one?
There's 2 little interaction doors here. No, don't go in there. He enters there as well.
Contraband desk. No,
So there's
no.
contraband. Watch out, he's coming for you.
Will he
I'm gonna
go?
make my run.
Will he spot me?
Quickly, come out. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Oh no, he spotted me.
Did he?
He spotted
Oh,
me.
no. Just run.
Oh,
He's
no.
gonna get you in there. I think we can bash him. Yes, we got him. Medkit. How do we take it? How do I take this?
Take the med kit.
Space. I use the medkit and I'm fully healed.
Okay.
Wait. Come to me. We
Yeah.
can make the escape now.
Okay. Wait, that horse can't carry more.
We don't. Yeah. So okay, we can go in here, right? And I think if we detach loose, I'm not sure how we're meant to.
3, can I have 3 crowbars?
How many crowbars do you have on you?
1. I'll give 1 in, I'll put 1 in this desk.
Okay. And then we'll be able to make our escape.
I can't open it.
Oh yeah, I'm in it. I thought you already put it in.
It's not, wait, what's the button? I can't, oh yeah.
E.
I was doing right click and I'm like, how do I do it? There. It's in
Okay,
there.
let's go. And then hopefully,
We'll detach the caboose.
and apparently the guard there does not affect the ending.
Okay,
I'm
now
ready to
get
go
the other
somewhere
one.
else. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, now I get it. Where do I have to use odd?
1 more.
And
Bang.
let's go.
We
That
did
was
it.
easy. This is it. Head for the border. Where's the border? Just pick a direction and run. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay. We did it. Loose caboose.
So we had 1 knockout, 0 favors, obviously,
F.
0 tiles destroyed, and
I
okay,
got
my mom won't be happy with those grades, but apart from that, F. Maybe
Wait.
we didn't knock out enough guard,
Yeah, I know.
but apart from that, that was a good episode. That was
Yeah.
a short one as well, I think. And we'll
Yeah.
see you guys in the next episode.
Yep,
Hopefully
we'll
you
see
enjoyed.
you. Bye.
See you guys next time.
Yep. Yep.
Bye.